Hello and welcome to HK Audio. My name is Andreas Mayerl and I'm Head of Product Management here at HK Audio. Today I want to show you our latest addition to the Contour X line, the new CX210LT long throw point source cabinet. We have introduced this cabinet at the Pro Light and Sound in Frankfurt in 2024, and if you have been there, you might have experienced it already. Otherwise, I will show you more details today. The CX210 is the latest member of the Contour X family, which is a family of high performance point source speakers. And as the name says, LT, it stands for long throw. It contains two 10-inch speakers, and the high frequency driver is a 1.4-inch driver with a 3-inch voice coil, and we use the multi-cell transformer. You might know the multi-cell transformer already from our Cosmo line array systems, but I will show you a few details of the multi-cell transformer today. If we look at the cut, you can see that it consists out of many small horns that are forming an almost cylindrical wave out here. The advantage of the small horns is that the inevitable horn resonances are transferred above the hearing level, so that you can, or the hearing range actually, so you are avoiding the resonances. As a result, you have less distortion in the sound, and that means you have less listening fatigue for the user, because less distortion always is a better sound that creates less listening fatigue. The horn has a horizontal dispersion of 60 degrees and a vertical dispersion of 25 degrees and is fully rotatable. You only have to loosen 4 screws and then you can rotate the horn. Once you rotate the horn, then you have a horizontal dispersion of only 25 degrees, and that means you can build an array out of several CX210s. And then you're building a horizontal array of, let's say, up to 4 CX210LT cabinets, and this will give you a very powerful stacking PA for medium distances up to 30 meters when you really need high SPL. The big advantage of the CX210LT is that we have an integrated flying hardware. The flying hardware enables you to fly up to 4 cabinets with only one single rigging point, so you just have to lift from one point, which makes it very easy, even in situations where you don't have sophisticated possibilities to hang a system. All the parts for the rigging are integrated. We have, of course, all the necessary safety certificates. There is a hardware on the top and hardware on the bottom. For more detailed flying, we offer also an accessory, and that's the CXR, the flying rail for the CX210. You have 11 different points, and depending on how many cabinets you fly, you can then arrange different angles for downward facing, but also for upward facing if you have to do a gallery or balcony or something like this. Again, all the parts are included, so nothing to forget, and you put it either with one point in between the cabinets or in the middle of the cabinet. And this is what the hardware is. The CX210 technical specs are 3,200 watts RMS power handling capacity. It's an 8-ohm cabinet. You can switch the NL4s between 1 and 2, so that means with one NL4 cable you can drive by daisy chaining the array, the various cabinets. Most important part besides the sound is, of course, all the filtering that we provide for this cabinet. We have FIR filter presets created for Labgruppen and PowerSoft amplifiers, and these have a complete phase coherent together with all the other CX cabinets and with the other Cosmo cabinets. What does that mean for you as a user? It's very easy to combine all the cabinets, less measuring efforts, you have a complete phase coherence. If you need a very small and low latency, then we also offering IIR filters, which have a reduced latency compared to the FIR filters if you use it for monitor applications or for infills or stuff like this. Keep in mind, as a member of the concert sound system at HK Audio, all the products work together. So the power racks you might use for CX12, 15 or Cosmo, you can also use for the CX210 LT, and of course the subwoofers also are matching. The latest user of the CX210 LT, by the way, is Deep Purple's own drummer Ian Pacey. He's using 2 of these cabinets as his personal monitor right behind him. Not necessarily long throw application, but very powerful, of course. I'm, as a kid of the 70s, are very excited about this. Purple has the new album out there at #1 in Germany, and they continue to tour, and we are providing with CX210 LT the sound for them. If you want to know more about the CX210 LT, visit us at www.hkaudio.com, email us, call us, or look for a stage near you where you can find this wonderful cabinet. I hope you enjoyed what I told you about the CX210 LT cabinet. Thank you for watching and for listening, and rock on.